If anyone here right now cannot understand Chinese, please raise your hands. Okay, no one. Okay, 大家都听得懂中文，好。因为今天我们英文的。Oh. Okay. Thank you. Then I will speak in English so that everyone can understand that Mr. Keith right now is a little bit late. He's on his way to here because of traffic jam and bad weather. So, but we will start this workshop on time, and Mr. Burgett will arrive during our talks and the sessions. And my name is Florence, and I am very glad to meet you here, and I am the organizer of this workshop today. And patent around Android is a hot topic since last year because many patent lawsuits happened last year, and that's why OSSF and the OIM we co-organize this workshop today, and we hope to bring you some new ideas and concepts about and concerns about these topics. And before we start our talks today, we will have Professor Chuang to make a brief opening remarks. Professor Chuang, he is right now one of our, Professor Chuang right now, he is the principal investigators of OSSF. And right now he's also the associated fellow with the Institute of Information Science and the Research Center for Information Technology Innovation, Academia Sinica. And for many years, Dr. Chuang has paid his attention to the open content and open source and the many public licensing issues. And so right now, let's welcome Professor Chuang.
Good morning. I thought I'm going to speak in Mandarin, so get a little bit exciting, but I prepare English remark, so I'm going to read my English remark, and afterward, so we can try to be in Mandarin. So it's a great pleasure to welcome all of you to this workshop on software patents. This is part of a seminar series on legal issue in open source software, organized by the Open Source Software Foundry. In case you do not know already, Open Source Software Foundry is a project at a research center on information technology innovation, Academia Sinica, of which I'm affiliated with. So today we are very glad to have Mr. Keith Burgett from the Open Innovation Network. He is taking time from his very busy schedule to give us a very tiny seminar on invention process and IP in the open source era. Mr. Keith Burgett is CEO of Open Invention Network. It's a very well-known patent pool structure to enable collaborative development of new information products based on Linux and other open source systems. In case you do not know already, recently HTC and LG Electronics just joined our Open Innovation Network. We are also very grateful to Professor Li Zian from National Zhengzhi University to give us overview on software patents. Professor Li is expert on IP rights and software and content licensing. He is also the legal lead of Creative Commons Taiwan, and Creative Commons Taiwan and the Open Source Software Foundry has been benefit from his service for a very long time. But most of all, on behalf of Open Source Software Foundry and the Academia Sinica, I thank you, all the participants in today's seminar, to come all the way to Langang this morning. This seminar series is an open forum for open source legal and the development community in Taiwan. We especially appreciate your contribution to these many debates and your expertise in these areas. I'm sure we will all benefit from our mutual interaction today, and we all look forward to a most interesting and a successful workshop today. Thank you.